Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair a common cause of a leak in a Smeg dishwasher. If your dishwasher is flooding at the base, causing a flood error, then it may well be due to the airbreak O-ring seals. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing these two screws at the back. Next, I need to remove the plinth at the bottom. Simply pops off. And then if I open the door, I also need to undo the three screws here, which hold this side panel in place. And now with these four screws off, I'll be able to remove the side panel. When removing the side panel, do be careful, as the edges can be very sharp. Let's pop that to one side, and here we can see the air brake here, which is part of the softener system inside the dishwasher. From here at the bottom are the two O-ring seals which are likely to fail. It's a good idea, if you suspect that they have failed, to grab a dry tissue and just touch the areas around here. And if you find that any moisture comes from the dried tissue, then you have indeed got a leak at the O-ring seals. Now, to get to the seals, I first need to disconnect this hose. And then, opening the door inside, I'm just going to take the basket out for easier access, and so you can see what I'm doing. The air brake is held into place by this circular plastic nut here, which should just be able to unscrew. You may want to use a pair of pliers to loosen it, but do be careful that you don't break the plastic. Once that nut is off, the air brake then from the side is released. Now I can just use a flat-headed screwdriver to push down into the clip to release the air brake itself. And here we can see the two O-rings inside. Very easy to lift out. Just grab your screwdriver, take them out, and then you can put your new ones in their place, making sure that they're pushed as far down as they'll go. Now I can carefully replace the air brake, making sure that the two pipes go where the O-rings also go. Put the hose back into place and use the plastic nut to lock it in inside the cavity. Now I can replace the side panel. With the side panel screwed in at the front, I can replace the bottom basket, shut the door, and replace the plinth at the bottom. And now I can refit the rear side panel screws and replace the top. So there we have it. New air brake O-ring seals fitted to the Smeg dishwasher. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.